are very excited to present Poetry Weekends.
Today, it's not just its past, but it's also its present. We are Silk City. Paterson has always been a place that, when you look at its history, it's a place that really punches above its weight class. Something so small and usually often not noticed, but it's always contributing to arts, culture, and really the fabric of modern society.
We really like poems that are doing some work in the world. So thank you for being an artist. We really appreciate it.
We have a really exciting partnership with NJCDC Youth Apprentices and announce those folks that we're excited to have as part of this program. Thanks for being here, guys.